Hey you, welcome back to my channel. Oh, let me touch up the lip. Gotta make sure that shine is popping, okay? This is a metallic lippy. If you want to see who she's wearing, then continue watching the video, and that's the tea on that. But yes, y'all, I was feeling black. I mean, I feel black every day, but I was feeling, you know, I wanted to do something dark and mysterious, and that's exactly what I got. Hold on, y'all gotta see it with the hood, girl. Death becomes her. I'm not even gonna do too much of an introduction because I feel like this look speaks for itself. But yeah, this video I'm not gonna be talking through it, so you can just follow along. Again, the products are gonna be mentioned in the video so you can know what she's wearing, okay? If you'd like to see how I completed this dark, smoky, mysterious, sexy look, then go ahead and keep on watching. this or no. Like, come on. This is like, honestly, I don't give. This will be like my everyday. If I wore makeup out like that, I would always be rocking a dark smoky look, looking mysterious. You don't know if I came to attend a funeral, if I came to take your life, or if I just came to slay. You'll never know. But the gag is, it's all of the above, okay? Everything about it, just even the subtle metallic nude lip and just the, I love everything about this look. Anyways, we done talking about it because like I said in the beginning, it speaks for itself, okay? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more of this TylorWithANO goodness, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace.